Everyone, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to save your video on TikTok. Let's get started. First, open your TikTok, and in here you can search video that you want to save. Maybe this one. Now you just click on this one, click on this icon, and after this you can click on save video, this one. Click on it and please waiting. Now after this you can open your gallery and finish. You can see this video has been downloaded on your TikTok. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Happy editing, guys. Bye bye.